Although we looked at it a little bit earlier, let's review now how we can apply fill and stroke using our colors. So we're going to select this, which is just a rectangle we created with the rectangle tool. And there's three locations that we can look at color. Over here in the toolbar, up here in the control bar, and here in the swatches panel. And where you do that is really your preference. Just remember, if you're working in the swatches panel or in the toolbar, whichever is in front is what you are applying to. And in this case, when you have two similar colors selected, it's hard to tell which one is actually in front until you change one of the colors. So in fact, our stroke was in front. For that reason, I often like to apply my colors up here in my control panel. And so I can come down here, and I'm just using those colors again that we pulled from this lead photo. And I'm going to have a stroke of none. And I could have also selected the stroke there. On your photos, I've seen a lot of trends with not having stroke on photos. That's really your call. I'm a fan of just a small 0.25 point black stroke on my images, especially when I'm doing something like over here with a gradient feather. That would have just bled out, and that photo wouldn't look like it had a stopping point on it without that black stroke on it. To work with type, I'm just going to select it all, Command A. And I want to show you what I did with this. I'm going to take off this stroke. You're going to find that some fonts don't have a bold option. When they don't have a bold option, a great way to make it appear bold, a little trick, is to put a stroke on it. So that is kind of our before, and that is our after. So just a slight improvement there. Just remember, if you're going to change one, you kind of need to change them both. Let's see what that looks like with yellow and yellow. That's kind of cool. And with this little drop cap that I created, I did not make it bold, but I am going to apply that same yellow, just wanting some consistency in my font.